What species of bees live at Weaver Lake Elementary?
Importance of bees. All bees are important for pollinating because they pollinate 1/3 of our food. Without bees, we would lose lots of fruits and vegetables because the bees would die.
Some other pollinators are flies, butterflies, hummingbirds, wasps, and bats.
Native bees. Two examples of native bees are the longhorn bee and the mason bee. These bees pollinate beautiful flowers such as sunflowers, chrysanthemums, poppies, and black-eyed Susans. Some trees that these bees pollinate are apple trees and almond trees.
Our investigation. Procedures. First, we got a container and looked for a bee in the Weaver Lake Prairie. We held the container over the flower and waited the bee to fly up, then we carefully slid the lid on. Next, Miss Judson froze the bee. Then we pinned the bee after it died. Last, we identified the bee as a honeybee. Results. Our class results was 8 bumblebees and 8 honeybees. The grade-wide results were 34 bumblebees, 21 honeybees, 3 metallic green sweat bees, 2 Ceratina, 1 sweat bee, 1 melisode, 1 fly, 1 flower fly, and 1 Calatude hyleus. The number of types of bees doubled from last year.
Threats to pollinators. Threats to bees are varroa mites and pesticides. What are pesticides? When pesticides are sprayed on flowers and the bees go to pollinate, the pesticides get to the bee and make them lose their sense of direction, which causes them to die. What is a varroa mite? A varroa mite is a small bug that clings onto the bee and sucks the bee's blood, which eventually kills the bee. The mites eventually spread around the colony. Advocacy. Plant bee-friendly flowers such as peonies, bee balm, and mint. Avoid pesticides that may be harmful to the bees such as neonicotinoid pesticides. These pesticides are poisoning the bees, which makes them lose their way home and eventually die.
Made by Marissa and Afomiya. Credits.